The fire shrimp is a species of cleaner shrimp. They inhabit tropical coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific. These shrimp can feed by eating parasites and dead skin off of other organisms. They only grow about 1 inch long. In order to grow, they must molt periodically by shedding their exoskeleton. Fire shrimp are territorial. They are generally peaceful unless another shrimp approaches their territory. These shrimp typically form long-term pairs between individuals. Since they are hermaphrodites, any two shrimp can form a pair. The pairs will live together and fertilize each other's eggs. Due to their appealing coloration, fire shrimp are commonly collected and sold at a high price for the aquarium trade. They are difficult to breed in captivity. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.